here at my rally backwoods track, the Rainbow Rally section, with my Tamiya Monster Beetle from, I think, 1988. This came out in 86. I had it in, I remember I have some videos somewhere of it running in 88. But this is the chassis from then. I got back running in running order. I bought some parts to replace the internals of the transmission, and I also upgraded, I returned to the original, the motor mount, motor plate, to connect that, because I had an adjustable before, but I was missing all those pieces. And I updated the original hex style dog bones to the current re-release output shafts. So that's why I didn't run it before for so long. I haven't run this since 92, I'm gonna say, 93. What we got underneath the hood here. The wheels are original, and the tires. They're still plenty pliable. And I got the original shocks on it. Although they're not oil filled, those look like they're friction. I didn't take those apart, actually. Didn't notice that. The motor is out of my Duratrax Evader. I put that in there with the, it's all standard 10-tooth stock. Speed controller from eBay. Servo is a Futaba. Different bumper, composite type of bumper from back in the day. And nickel metal hydride battery, not running LiPo. Getting that all back together with newer equipment, it's going to be a lot of fun. So now I'm just going to do a shakedown out on the track out here and just run it a little bit, a few laps, see if anything comes loose, if it stays together. Just run it, get a kind of a performance evaluation. So let's check that out. Starting to snow out here on the track. I'm gonna take this thing inside. Good shakedown. Everything seems to be in working order, and this thing turns out to be a lot of fun. I have not had this thing out since early 90s. So thanks to today, the parts available and making this thing come back together, it's gonna be fun getting this back. I go inside for lunch and I come back out and it's completely snowing. I mean, really coming down now. And the track looks awesome. So I'm gonna come back out, give it a couple of laps. Let's just take this thing out in the snow a little bit. Okay, good. The shakedown on the Beetle, success. Everything seems to hold together so far. Now I'm gonna move forward with the body. Like I say, I'm gonna paint that, some kind of custom paint job. I'm not gonna make it look like a Monster Beetle from Tamiya's box, but I think it'll be fun nonetheless. All right, finally done. It's wet, I'm wet, it's cold. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks for stopping, watching the vids. See you on the next one.